What's going on, guys? This is going to be a real quick tutorial, again working with our static variables within our picture class, because we want our game to get more difficult as it progresses. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up a very quick static integer value that's going to be our level. So we're going to set our level equal to be 0 to start out with. Makes sense. Or what, 0? I mean 1. Alright, 1 makes sense. 0 makes sense as well. Whatever you guys want to do. Actually, don't do whatever you want to do. Start out with a 1. And because what we're going to because the reason that I need you guys to start out at least at a 1 is because this is going to be the speed of our platforms. So as you can see, as the level gets higher, our platforms are going to move quicker and quicker. Pretty awesome, right? Alright, so we have our variable set up within again our picture class. So let's go into our platform class. Alright, so as you can see, the basic concept, what we're going to do is set our dx value to be whatever our level class is. We could do that within this platform constructor, but again, we only construct 7 platforms for our entire game and have that within the array, and those just cycle through our game. So it's only going to construct those 7 applets most likely within the first level, so it won't even matter right here. But where it is going to matter is within our update method, where again we change the value of our x by whatever our speed is, or a dx. So what we're going to do instead is say negative, and then we're going to refer to our pictures class, again level. So right now it's going to be -1, which is basically the same as saying negative dx, because our dx value is set equal to -1. But as the game gets more and more advanced, because again this level is a static variable within our picture class, it's going to affect this change in dx for our platform speed. So we got that set up. Lastly, we actually have to increase the level, so we're going to go to our starting point class, and as you can see here, I set up a integer value called level check. So let's set that equal to be 0 to start out with. All this is going to do is each time it loops through our thread, we're going to add 1 to our current level check. So let's run down to a run method again, and within our while statement, or within our while loop here, we're going to set up our if level check is less than, or is greater than, I should say, 1000 or 100, just for this example, so you guys can actually see it, speed up when I run it. Again, you guys can do 1000 here. All we're going to do is we're going to say pictures dot level plus plus. So that's going to add 1 to our level, and then we're going to set our level check back equal to 0, so it can count back up again to over 100. Last thing that we have to do is increase our level check, because otherwise it's always going to be 0. So we're just going to say level check plus plus. Pretty simple. And also one other thing I want to show you guys is for our website, my bring back, we are doing a new little thing where us as a community, you guys, us, see what we can do to help others, because that's what we're about, is helping others. And so what we're going to do is on our homepage, we're going to have either a little section how we can help with pretty much doing nothing. For example, one of my friends is doing a contest. She's a graphic designer, and she's trying to win free ink for a company so they can print shirts, and all we have to do is vote on Facebook. So that's kind of our promotion, or the way that we can help her and her company right now, just by going to her Facebook page. Click that link there, and this is her design, which is pretty sweet. You can thumbs it up and say, hey, Travis sent me here, good luck. But that's how that's gonna work. So we're gonna have a new little section. If you guys need some help somehow, shoot us an email and we might promote you right on the home page of our website. So again, go there, guys, and help her out if you could. That'd be awesome. And let's run our application. Sorry, that's kind of tricking you. We don't have anything else to do with our tutorial. Just wanted to kind of promote that new little feature we have on our website. So here you go. Each time basically our score gets a new 100, it's going to speed up our platforms. Obviously, this is going to actually make our game easier if our speed is super fast, because our platforms are going to be regenerating. So we're going to have to delete some of these platforms as our level gets higher and higher, which we will do eventually. But as for now, it looks like it's working. It's speeding up. But again, we probably want to change that variable instead of being 100 to maybe like 1,000. So thanks again for watching, guys. Catch you later.